His wife, fortunately, is 50 years or so, a wonderful wife. Let us support the family and have the spirit representative of Ifeanyi here in the chamber when the election for the Anambra senatorial district that he represents comes up.
The senator representing Borno South, Ali Ndume, has appealed to the Senate to allow Ifeanyi Ubah, the widow of the late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, to succeed him as the representative of Anambra South. Ndume made this plea on Tuesday during a valedictory session held to honor the late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, who died in July at the age of 52. The lawmaker emphasized the importance of preserving Ubah's legacy through his family and highlighting historical precedents to support his appeal. What I want to appeal to you, Mr. President, is that we keep the spirit and aspirations of Ifeanyi alive, he said. He referenced Chuba Okadigbo, who after his passing, his wife Maggie joined the Senate to continue his legacy. Also, he cited Oluremi Tinubu, Nigeria's first lady who served in the Senate with the goodwill of Lagosians, carrying forward her husband's political vision. Similarly, Tokunbo, Abiru, Iyabo Obasanjo, Ede Dafinan, and Abdulaziz Yar'Adua were mentioned to have represented their family legacies in the Senate. He also stressed that Ifeanyi Ubah, who was a strong support system for her late husband, would be an ideal candidate to ensure continuity and honor for the people of Anambra South. Ndume urged the Senate President and his colleagues to support this initiative. Let us support the family to have a spiritual representative of Ifeanyi here in the chamber when the election of Anambra senatorial district that he represents comes up. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.